Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some chicken, broccoli, and tomatoes. And I already cooked some Spanish beans and rice, and we'll have that with it, okay? Alright, so I had 4 chicken thighs. Nope, not thighs, drumsticks, sorry. 4 chicken drumsticks that I cut off the bone. Okay, and so that's what we're going to be using to make the dish with. So join me, will you? Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. Okay, so I have some olive oil in the frying pan heating up. And we're going to make this, we're going to call this garlic chicken, broccoli, and tomatoes. So I have here about a half a tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm going to put that right in the oil. So once you flavor the oil, you have it all flavored. Okay, I'm going to cook the vegetables first. This is 2 heads of broccoli. This is 1 cup of diced tomatoes. I'm going to put some additional olive oil on the top. And now let's add our seasoning. I'm going to do some granulated onion. Black pepper. Adobo light, that means light and salt. Now you want to cook the broccoli so that it's still a nice bright green color. If it becomes a gray color, you've just overcooked it. And put some more olive oil. Okay, I'm going to cover that. And let me give you the word of the day while we're waiting on our vegetables to cook. The word of the day. The word of the day is, okay, Christmas is over, and now you can stop with all the spending, get back on track, get back on your budget. And if you used your credit cards to buy gifts, you want to start paying as much as you can down on those to eliminate them, to get them back down to 0 or as close as you can, so that you don't feel the burden of that expense for the next 6 months. Because remember, every month you're going to be paying interest. Some interest on some cards are 23% or higher, you know, and so that could be quite a bite if you put quite a large amount of money onto the credit cards. Okay, so you want to pay that debt down and make your New Year's resolution. You know, even if you say, well, I didn't keep it last year, that's okay. Try again this year, because if you make no goal, you have no goal. If you make a goal, at least you can try to work towards it. And who knows, you just might make it. I know some of you will make it, okay? And so let's do that, okay? That's a great word of the day, a plan for 2022. And to all of you out there, have a very prosperous New Year's. Happy New Year's, okay? All right, let's get back to our vegetables cooking. Okay, I'm going to call the vegetables cooked enough, because remember we're going to put them back in when we finish cooking the chicken. So I'm going to take them out now. Okay, so I'm going to add some olive oil to the frying pan. A little more garlic for the chicken. Another half a tablespoonful of garlic. Okay, I'll pour this excess water off. And now I'm going to add the chicken. Adobo. The same seasoning, black pepper, granulated onion, Okay, I have it all turned over. Now I'm going to put the top back on. Let that cook a few minutes. Look at the broccoli and tomatoes. You see how it's still a bright green color? That's what you're looking for, okay? And you want it to have a little crunch when you bite into it. Okay, so once the chicken cooks, we're going to add the vegetables back into the frying pan so that all can flavor together. And then I'll set up the dish to show you how I'm going to display it. And you'll notice when I cut the chicken off the bone of the chicken drumstick, I left it in big chunks. You see that? You don't have to, but I thought it would be a nice display. Okay, I think I want to sprinkle a package of no salt sassoon. This is sassoon that has no salt in it. This is new on the market. Sassoon will give it a nice color and flavor. Oh, the flavor is great. One second. Okay, so our chicken is almost done. And you want to cook chicken to 165 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to cover that and let that cook for about another 2 minutes. And then I'm going to come back, and next thing you'll see is how I plate it up. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, look at that. Oh, does that look good? So you see how you can display your food so it really looks appetizing. Okay? Alright, garlic, chicken, broccoli, and tomatoes with beans and rice. Let me taste. Okay, I want to see if I can get in the picture. Let's see if that can happen. Yes. Okay, so now let me just get a little taste. Okay. There we go. Okay, I got the beans and rice and vegetables. Chicken. The garlic on the chicken and vegetables is so good. The chicken is nice and tender. And the Spanish beans and rice makes it a great compliment. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Talk to you on the next time. Bye-bye.